Okay, today we'll go over exactly what's included in the Strutdale Engineering's Chrono Gauge Kit. So the package comes in this big package. When you order the whole kit, including the cover, the harness, and the gauge, it will be shipped in a large box. Another option would be if a customer wanted to buy the gauge cover plate from Porsche directly and then use our no coating required harness and gauge, then we'll just ship you guys the harness and the gauge without the cover plate. So we'll go ahead and open up the package. Let's go ahead and set this box aside. Okay, obviously this will be the harness, and we'll go ahead and open it up. Okay, so this is the no coating required harness by Strutdale. And what you want to do is you want to locate the back of your Porsche's PCM, and you will remove the harness clip that's plugged from the factory harness to the PCM. You remove it, you plug in the Strutdale harness into the back of the PCM, and the factory harness that you just removed a second ago, you want to plug it into the female side of this harness. And then this is the Chrono wire that you want to feed from the back of the PCM through the dash to where the Chrono gauge will be located, and you just plug it in. So this harness, the nice thing about this harness is that you don't need the Porsche software to code it and activate the clock. All you do is just plug it in, and the clock, the time, and the hand will go off of the dash time of the Porsche. This kit also comes with the tool that you could use this tool to remove the factory cover plate. Some people, they choose not to use this because they don't want to scratch the dash. Like the new Porsche Macan, the dash is known, the Napa leather is really easily scratched. So we include the kit anyways, just in case some customer want to use it, but it is not required. You could also just remove the cover plate with your hand. Now for the older generation Cayenne, to remove the PCM, there are 4 T27 bolts that's holding the PCM into the dash. So our kit also includes a T27 Torx head for you to remove, so you don't have to make an extra auto parts store run to get the head. Now these are included for newer generation Porsche to remove the CD deck, and that's usually located in the back of the glove compartment. But for the older generation Cayenne, you don't need these to pull out the CD deck. All right, let's go ahead and set this aside. Let's see the clock now. And for this customer, this kit is actually going to Florida. The customer has a 2015 Porsche Cayenne, and his dash is black, so he opted for the yellow clock face, which is really nice combination with a black cover plate. And as you can see, really high quality, top notch. Here we go. And what you want to do is just remove the OEM cover without the gauge, obviously, with this kit. Or you could just remove it with your hand and then plug in the wiring harness and feed this through the dash up into the top, and then you will just plug it into the back of this. And that's it, really simple. So this is a complete kit. If you guys are interested, please visit www.strutdale.com.